Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A17, and today I'll show you how you can put the device into safe mode. So to get started, you will want to hold your power button, and I believe it's volume up. Right? Nope. There we go, so it's volume down. So that's one way. Another one, we can just kind of swipe down from the top side and click on the power button right here. Anyway, once you have your boot options visible, you want to hold power off. As you can see, this changes into reboot to safe mode or just safe mode. Click on this once more. This will initiate the reboot, and when the device boots back up, it will enter safe mode. Now in safe mode, only the pre-installed applications will function, so any app that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled, and neither you nor the device can start it up. Now, for Samsung, this actually extends a little bit further than it normally does for every other device, as Samsung forces you to sign into your Wi-Fi network while going to the setup, because they want to install all the garbage onto your device while you're going to the setup, so you just don't notice it. And because of that, it will result in what you are about to see in a moment. Basically, majority of the applications that come pre-installed with this device, or what you would think is a pre-installed application, are disabled in this mode. You can see we are now in safe mode. So here is the second page where we have Spotify, Clock, News, Game Hub unavailable to us, and most of the applications that would come by default with this phone, including almost every Samsung application like Samsung Shop, Smart Things, Voice Recorder, Internet. It's comical that the browser is even disabled. Health, Wearable, Wallet, Find, Smart Switch, and any other application that has this kind of dimmer look to it. These are all apps that get, without your permission, technically downloaded in the background when you're going to the setup, and because of that, they are what could be considered non-essential. So they get disabled by the safe mode, and even if you try to open them up, it gives you a pop-up that app is disabled. Anyway, once you're done, you can find the power button once more and tap on restart. When you reboot the device, it automatically will boot back up into the normal mode, restoring access to all these applications. Anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.